know what's about to happen next?
I don't know.
So this is all surprise.
Because you know I'm all about that case, about that case. All about that case, about that case, no homework. I'm all about that case, about that case, no homework. I'm all about that case, about that case. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I'm getting round shoes, cause I can break it down like I'm supposed to do. I wrote the question down and left enough space for all the right facts and all the facts. I take a moment now just to collect my thoughts, make sure my brain works good, and then I lay it out. If it's got beauty, beauty, then show it off, cause every inch of it is perfect from the bottom to the top. Just make sure your frameworks are messy and well designed. When you do public math, just make sure not to get it wrong. And if you can't get the answer, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that case, no banking. All about that case, no banking. I'm all about that case, no banking. I'm all about that case. Bring your own notepad. Go ahead and tell them Harvard bitches that. And I know you think it's bad, but I'm here to tell you every inch of it is perfect from the bottom to the top. You know, in case and you don't need no fancy paradigm. Make sure your frameworks are messy and well designed. When you do public math, just make sure you don't get it wrong. If you can't get the answer, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that case, no sleeping. All about that case, no sleeping. I'm all about that case, no sleeping. Every inch of it is perfect from the bottom to the top.